I am Janardhan, School Assistant Mathematics, Government High School, Banjara Hills, Road number 7. Logarithms. Logarithms and exponents are the interrelated. Before logarithms, we recall the exponential forms and notations. Exponential form: 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. 2 is the base, 4 is exponent, is equal to product of 16. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 4 is 16. 16 is the fourth power of base 2. And 3 cube is equal to 27. 3 is the base and exponent also 3 is equal to 27. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 27 is the third power of the base 3. We will see one more example. 2 to the power of x is equal to 4. So base is 2 and exponent is x. And 4, we know that we can write 2 base exponential form. 4 is equal to 2 square and 4 are 4 equal. Therefore 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 square. 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 square. Bases are equal. Equate the powers. X is equal to 2. And 3 to the power of y is equal to 27. 27 also we can written as 3 base. 27 is equal to 3 cube. Therefore 3 to the power of y is equal to 3 cube. Therefore 3 to the power of y is equal to 3 cube. So we can equate the exponents. Y is equal to 3. Here 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. What value of the 5? When we will get the 5, the exponent of the base 2 is how much? So here 2 power 1 is equal to 2 power 2 is equal to 4, 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So there is no whole number, x, substitute x, we get the 5. So what value of the x? And 3 to the power of y is equal to 11. 3 to the power of 1 is equal to 3. 3 square is equal to 9. 3 cube is equal to 27. There is the same condition here also. There is no whole number as a x. We will get 11, the base of 2. So for this critical situation, we can introduce another one mathematical concept. 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. So what should be the power to which 2 must be raised to get 5? So what is the relation between what is the x, and when x value is, we will get the 5. We have to find the x value. So we need to establish a new relation between x and y. So this new relation is called logarithm. The new relation is logarithms. So before introducing the logarithms, we can draw one graph, that is exponential graph of 2 to the power of x. Graph of exponential 2 to the power of x. For drawing the graph, we need x axis and y axis we needed, and x coordinate and y coordinate also we needed. Here only x is there. That's why we can take y is equal to 2 to the power of x. The x value is taken in the x coordinate axis, the y value is taken on the y axis. So this is called x coordinate, this is called y coordinate. This two relation we can, for x comma y is a ordered pair, we can plot the point on the graph, we can draw the graph. So for drawing the graph, we need coordinates. If x value and y values, we can take x is equal to minus 3, the y value will be the 0.125. This is 2 to the power of minus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 8, that will be 1 by 8 is equal to 0.125. Here x is equal to minus 2, we will get 2 to the power of minus 2 means 0.25. Minus 1 x value, y value will be the 0.5. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. If 1 is equal to x is equal to 1, 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, 2 square, that is equal to 4. X is equal to 3, 3 cube, that is equal to y. So y value is the 8. Now we can draw the graph in the graph sheet. This is the x axis, this is the y axis. This is the x axis. The right side is positive and left side is negative. And above the x-axis is positive and below the x-axis is negative. So this graph sheet, this is the y-axis. Now plotting the points. Before we can do that one, x is, we are taking x is minus 2. What value? Y is 0.25. This point is x is minus 2, y is 0.25. X is equal to minus 1, that is equal to 0.5. X is equal to 0, that is equal to 1. X is equal to 1, the y value is 2. Where x is equal to 2, the y value is 4. And x is equal to 3, the y value is 8. Now, joining all these points, we will get the curve. So, this curve, this is the exponential graph of the 2 to the power of x graph. Y is equal to 2 to the power of x. Now, in our problem, 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. This graph is base of 2 and the power 2 to the power of x. What value of x? We get it 5. This one 5. So here 5, the curve is meet in this place. From this we can see the down what value of the x we will get it. So here the x value 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. What value that one? 2.3219. 2 to the power of 2.3219, we will get the value is the 5. 2 to the power of 2.3219, we will get the 5. So, another one condition we can see that one, x is equal, y is equal to 2. What value of the x? This is the 1, x is the 1. So, in this exponents and logarithms, here we interrelated, that is 2 to the power of 2.3219 is equal to 5. The same manner, log 5 to the base 2 is equal to 2.3219. The same manner here, 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2, log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. We can see another one example. Here 8, see the x value is 3, y value is 8. This is an exponential notation 2 cube. 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. That is the interrelation between exponential and logarithmic forms. 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8. Log 8 to the base 2 is equal to 3. 2 to the power of 2.3219 is equal to 5. And log 5 to the base 2 is equal to 2.3219. And 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. And log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. This is the interrelation between logarithms and exponents. Y coordinates of any point on the curve is the x power of 2. And x coordinates of any point on the curve is the logarithm of x. That means 2 to the power of x is equal to y, and log y to the base 2 is equal to x. Log y to the base 2 is equal to x. In general, a and n are positive real numbers such that a is not equal to 1. We define that log n to the base a is equal to x. A to the power of x is equal to n. In general form of the logarithm is log n to the base a is equal to x. A to the power of x is equal to n. Following in the logarithmic forms. The first problem is 5 to the power of 4 is equal to 6 to 5, and 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1024. So, this is the exponential form and convert into the logarithmic form. First problem, 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 625. This is the exponential form, convert into the logarithmic form. Log 625 to the base 5 is equal to 4. Log 625 to the base 5 is equal to 4. Second one, 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1024. This is logarithmic form is log 1024 to the base 2 is equal to 10. Solve the following. Log 0.00001 to the base 10 is equal to how much? So this is the logarithmic form. We can convert into exponential form. This is the base 10. This is the exponent, will be exponential form. 10 to the power of x is equal to 0.00001. So this is equal to 10 to the power of x is equal to, convert into the fractional form, 1 by 1 lakh. 10 to the power of x is equal to 1 by 10 to the power of 5. 10 to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of minus 5. Bases are equal. Equate the powers. X is equal to minus 5. We can do another one problem. Log 1296 to the base 6 is equal to y. Log 1296 to the base 6 is equal to y. We can convert into exponential form. 2 to the power of y, 6 to the power of y is equal to 1296. 6 to the power of y is equal to 1296. This 1296 convert into the base 6. 6 to the power of y is equal to 6 to the power of 4, where the bases are equal and powers should be equated. Y is equal to 4. These are the conversions of logarithmic form to exponential form, exponential form to logarithmic form. Next lesson we can discuss about the laws of logarithms, properties of the logarithms.